Hi friends, Teacher Kim is going to read The Sound of Colors, A Journey of the Imagination. Illustrated by Jimmy Liao. English text adapted by Sarah L. Thompson. A year ago, I began to notice that my sight was slipping away. I sat at home alone and felt the darkness settle around me. But today, I walked outside into the thin gray rain and made my way to the subway. I have a journey to go on. There are some things I need to find. I walk down, 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 where the wind never blows. Waiting for the train, I start to wonder, if all the subway tracks joined together, then where would I go? I push my way onto a train full of people. Do they all have someone waiting for them at the other end? The train shudders to a stop. The doors slide open. I don't remember what this station looks like. What will be around me when I step outside? I climb the stairs toward the exit, careful that I don't trip and fall. As slowly as an elephant, I plod up and up, peacefully, patiently, one step at a time. When at last I walk out of the tunnel, I can't see the light, but I can feel the leaves. I have heard a story that somewhere nearby one golden leaf is buried. I want to pick some apples, heavy in my hands with their juice. They'll smell sweet and red. They'll taste plump and round. Back underground, the train scoops me up, and like a memory carries me along. A new station. Up the stairs again. What if I step out? I dream that I know the language of dolphins. Then I can hear the secret of the seas. I have forgotten how blue the sky can be, but in my mind I still watch the clouds change shape. I never noticed before that the train in the tunnel sounds like waves against a distant shore. I wonder what would happen if I stepped off the last stair and found nothing beneath my foot. Maybe the air would teach me to fly, and the wind would blow me back to the trains and set me gently down. Sometimes the streets twist themselves into a maze. But if you look hard enough, there's always a way out. I'll never know if this station is the same as it was yesterday. Did it change overnight? Grow into something new? Maybe I've come to the last station in the world, but this can't be the end of my journey. I haven't found. Trains rumble and clank and rush past me. Which is the right one? It's easy to get lost underground. I wonder where I am. And if I'm getting closer. A little boy asks me how to get home. I'm looking too, I tell him. Home is the place where everything I've lost for me to find my way back. The last thing I lost was the light, as if somebody played a joke on me, turned off the switch. I tried and tried, but I couldn't find it again. So I went forward, step by step, into the dark. Now I listen for the sound. I try to smell the shapes. And I hope to find a friend while the window. There must be someone who will sit beside me, sip tea, tell me her hopes for the future, and listen to mine. Even when I'm tired of the jolting trends and the stairs up and down, one thought keeps me going. Someone could be waiting for me at the other end. He'll take my hand and hold the umbrella over me. He'll tell me what the stairs look like. He'll walk by my side all night long. Listen, far ahead at the end of the tunnel, can you hear it? A butterfly is flapping her wings. I can feel the wind she makes brushing against my face. I follow her, going down against up, up against down, straining to hear the delicate sound of her flight. Because I think she can show me a juicy red apple. She'll take me to the friend I need to find. She'll lead me to the place. She'll bring me back to the light that I lost, still glowing there. The end. Jimmy Liao was born in Taipei, Taiwan, and received a degree in design from the Chinese Cultural University. He worked as an illustrator in the advertising industry for 12 years, but he left to pursue his own creative endeavors. He is the author and illustrator of over 20 hugely popular books that have been translated into English, French, German, Greek, Japanese, Korean, and Thai. The Sound of Colors has been adapted into a stage play as well as a motion picture produced by award-winning Hong Kong filmmaker Wong Kar-wai. Jimmy has said that he expresses the way he views the world through his paintings. Looking at his work is like seeing into his heart. A cancer survivor, he hopes that his work can brighten the lives of others. He lives in Taipei, Taiwan with his wife and daughter.